So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Pepsi stock, ticker symbol PEP in Canada using Questrade. So once Questrade is opened up, go to the bottom left here and press on buy/sell, or the top right and press on the magnifying glass. Once that is done, simply type in ticker symbol PEP for PepsiCo Inc. Or I guess Pepsi. Once that is done, go to the bottom left and press on the green buy icon. Either go to share quantity for a quantity type of order or a dollar amount order. Either way, once that is done, press on this green next button at the bottom and then proceed that way. So very simplistic, very to the point. That is how to buy Pepsi or PepsiCo Inc. stock here in Canada, ticker symbol PEP, using Questrade. Thanks again for watching and hope this video helps.